Hi, it's Dougie from Valto, and in this video we're going to talk about embedding our Canvas Power Apps into a Microsoft Teams tab. Now, this is a follow-on video from part of a series where we've created a basic Canvas Power App from a SharePoint list. We've done some customizations to it to add approval workflows, to add buttons, to filters, to only showing the items that the creator has added to the app themselves, as well as having color icons depending on the different statuses of the item. But now we've created our app, we want to add this into the Microsoft team that's going to be using this. So this is going to be used by our engineers team. So we want to add it into their Microsoft team. So to do that, we open up Microsoft Teams and we navigate to our relevant team. So I'm going to add it into my engineers team, into the general tab. And now we click on this plus button to add a new tab across the top. We click on PowerApps, and then this is going to show us all the different Power Apps that we have access to. I'm going to search for my incident reporting app, select it, and click on Save. And then this is now going to automatically add this as a tab inside of my Teams, so I can jump from being inside of either my conversations, my documents, all the way to jumping into my incident reporting app without ever having to leave my Microsoft team. If you found that of use, please look at all the other videos which are related to the creation of this application in our YouTube playlist. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you need help, we do offer professional services, including bespoke development, pre-built solutions, training packages, and a pay-as-you-go support service which bridges those knowledge gaps within your existing team. All of our employees are based in the UK and have years of experience deploying solutions with small businesses as well as large enterprise organizations. We offer a free consultation with a no obligation quotation. If this all sounds good, drop us an email, ask for Dougie, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.